science behind climate change and its impact on the planet. Welcome back to our Fact Channel, where we dive deep into fascinating topics. Today, we are exploring the science behind climate change and its impact on our planet. Climate change is a pressing issue that affects every single one of us, so let's get started. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature patterns and weather conditions on Earth. It is primarily caused by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4, act like a blanket, trapping heat from the sun within the Earth's atmosphere. This is known as the greenhouse effect, and it is essential for supporting life on our planet. However, human activities have intensified this effect, leading to global warming. Over the past century, the Earth's average surface temperature has increased by about 1 degree Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. This might not seem like a significant change, but it has profound consequences for our climate system. One of the most visible impacts of climate change is the disruption of ecosystems and biodiversity. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns affect the distribution and behavior of plant and animal species. Some species are struggling to adapt, leading to changes in their population size or, in some cases, even extinction. Another consequence of climate change is the increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and wildfires have become more frequent and severe in many parts of the world. These events not only endanger lives but also have severe economic and social implications. Perhaps one of the most visible signs of climate change is the melting of glaciers and ice caps, leading to rising sea levels. As glaciers melt, they contribute to the increased volume of water in the oceans, threatening coastal areas and low-lying islands. This puts millions of people and countless species at risk. Climate change also has significant implications for human health. Changing temperature patterns can exacerbate the spread of infectious diseases, impact air quality, and increase the risk of heat-related illnesses. Vulnerable populations, such as the elderly and children, are particularly at risk. Despite the alarming challenges posed by climate change, there is hope. Individuals, communities, and governments around the world are taking action to mitigate and adapt to the effects of climate change. From transitioning to renewable energy sources to implementing sustainable agricultural practices, there are numerous steps we can take to make a difference. That concludes our exploration of the science behind climate change and its impact on the planet. Remember, understanding this complex issue is the first step towards finding solutions. Let's continue to educate ourselves and spread awareness to create a sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Hit the subscribe button if you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.